there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of skincare, specifically using La Roche-Posay products. We'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to achieve that radiant, glowing skin you've always wanted. So let's get started. Which helps to unclog pores and reduce excess oil. It's also great for sensitive skin, as it's free of harsh chemicals and fragrances. To treat acne and reduce the appearance of scars. It's a great choice for those who want to tackle their acne concerns head-on. Now, let's move on to moisturizing. It helps to control shine and reduce the appearance of pores, all while providing hydration. And last but not least, for those with oily or acne-prone skin. To help control excess oil and reduce the appearance of blemishes. Now, let's talk about hair. Today, we're going to be doing knotless braids, which is a great protective style for your hair. Knotless braids are a low-maintenance option that can be worn for up to 6 weeks. They're perfect for those who want to give their hair a break from heat and chemical treatments. So there you have it, a quick rundown of some great skincare products from La Roche-Posay and a stylish hairdo to boot. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.